Sister Sage? Hell no. She was with me in Teenage Kicks for like barely a year before they canned her ass.
What's her power?
She's the world's smartest person. She's not smart enough to know when to shut her mouth. Wrangler, isn't he?
Texas nut job. The San Antonio office had to cover up those migrant murders.
I kind of like him.
Of course, he bumps us with suburban women and white men over 50. Amazing choice, sir.
Yeah, I totally agree. He's a mensch. Did I use that word right? Mensch?
You just said he was crazy.
What I meant was we would be crazy to, not bring him in.
Oh. I'm surrounded by sycophants and fucking imbeciles.
It's just that you make a lot of really great points, sir.
Deep. Blow A-Train.
What?
I'm not kidding. Go over there, pull out A-Train's cock, and blow him. Get up.
Sex is just a spectrum, right, bro?
Get off your fucking knees. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Not one of you has the stomach to challenge anything I say. Oh, my God. I have got to carry this entire fucking company on my shoulders.
You're right.
I was gonna do it.